Check this shit out. I've finally done it. It's taken me from 9:30 this morning after going out on a heavy drinking night. Oh, fuck off. After going out on the piss with my mate, it's taken all day from 9 o'clock this morning. It's now like nearly 4:30. You watch this. Right, unlocked. There's no keys in it. And then I just click the button, shut down, lock it, silent alarm, unlock it, keep the lock off, get the alarm off, ignition on, engine on. Oh yes, I'm so clever. It's taken me fucking hours and the help of Callum North and his sister, and since they've gone, I've managed to figure it out, and oh my god, it has baffled me all day. I'm so fucking chuffed at that. Oh mate, I thought I wasn't going to be able to do it. Oh, thank fuck for that. Right, now to put my bike back together. I haven't crashed, it's just I got a new alarm system and I'm a happy camper.